Hey, good looking. What you been cooking? Not cooking anything, no?
No.
Okay. Right. Well, what are you doing today?
From V-Bar.
Whoa! I'm trying to talk here, mate. Right, from V-bars. These little bars going across here.
Gonna wrap them white.
He's gonna wrap them white.
I think I was tightening this, you know.
You actually insist?
Yeah. I'm gonna try and wrap it without taking the bumper off, because it's a hell of a headache to take the bumper off again.
Yeah.
As you'll see from last episode.
So yeah, everyone, with the... Oh, I should put my hat on properly. I think it's on properly. Yeah, so it sounds... We were supposed to do this last time with the grill. I don't know why he's still drilling. But yeah, we were supposed to do it while the bumper was off last time, but I think we just genuinely forgot. Which was very silly of us. Yeah, we just forgot.
It could have been so much easier.
Yeah, it would have been so much easier if we had the bumper off still. But the bumper is really annoying to get back on, as you saw in the last video. So we're just doing that now. So it's gonna be a quick how-to on how to do the front grille V-bar on the F30. This guy's so annoying at times. Gotta say that it does look beautiful. New number plate on there as well. New addition from the last videos. So the plan right now is we're gonna loosen this area, get the front grille off, and then once we got the front grille off, we'll be able to kind of work around the grille to do the V-bar. Did you just leave one by accident? Really, bro?
Distracting me, innit?
Yeah, I really was distracted. Go on.
I haven't taken the grill off without the bumper being off, so I'll have to try and learn that one today.
Right, so what's next?
You just pull this off. There's little metal tabs here and there's a little plastic bit here that you gotta slip it out of. After you've done a slipperoo, now you gotta try and bloody open the grill. The thing is, right, when these guys do it, it seems so easy.
Yeah, it's a common misconception that YouTubers are able to do car work really easy and quick, which is why I tend to make my videos a lot longer and show the difficulties around it. Some people don't like the fact that videos are longer and show how hard things can be, but it is what it is, and I like to show the real side of everything. Are you having fun there, yeah?
No.
I don't think he's having much fun. Real quick though, everyone, just a quick little plug. He's actually started coding BMWs, so if you do need any coding done to your BMW, he's learned how to do it all. Mr. IT tech guru, done it all by himself. So yeah, he actually paid someone to do some coding to his car, then got all the software, then accidentally undid everything that he paid that person to do, so then he had to do it all again himself, which is kind of a good way to learn. Now you gotta get your hand in the back.
It's a bit scary, man.
Let me just do it.
Come on, man. See if you can do it.
Get my gloves on. Right. Ah, managed to get that one out as well. Oh! Oh! Oh snap. Of course the last one's going to be the hardest one to take off. So what happens once you do the top? You do the bottom. How do you reach the bottom?
Yeah, through the bottom.
You can't freaking get yet.
There you go. See the tabs in there?
Ah, got one in, I think. Did one of them go back in?
Try to do the side one.
Bro, I literally... Right, a noise. Right, because I had a phone call, Sans decided to take over. I think he's going to try and take credit for all my work. You got it?
Oh!
It's not a huge amount of space behind it. And it really does feel like that guy gets a lot more space. There is another way. Hold on. Let me try this.
Old grills.
Huh? No, hold this.
No, because you can see how the clips are on the grill for the bottom one.
So we got these three off. So we got
Need to push them that way.
one on this side. Is there one on this side? I didn't see that one.
Yeah, that one's
I didn't
off.
see that one. Right, hold on.
You gotta do it for the other side.
So what? Actually, you can access it all. So you can actually ask what? No, you can't actually ask. Oh, I'm gonna get this right.
Access.
You can actually access the V-bar from here. Well, the lighting's really dodgy there, but yeah, you can get it. You can get it basically. So we're gonna clean that up. I'm gonna put this up here. Right, let me do this side.
And then we shall be back.
So a quick tip everyone, if you get one side off, don't struggle on trying to do the same thing on the other side. Just put your hand through and just unclip everything like so. And it's much safer and easier to do.
Oh.
Did you see that?
It looks so sick, you know.
Yeah, we should do it.
It's like smaller nostrils. You just run the car like this, isn't it?
I think you should try and run the car like this for a little bit. Good air intake as well, isn't it? Because the slits just slow down the air. It's getting creative with the way to put the light. Look! I got this torch on now. It should hopefully be fine for you, but
Nah, that's bang on, mate.
right, okay. So yep, V-bar, you've cleaned it up. I'm guessing
With alcohol, you know, isopropyl alcohol, no drinky.
Whoa.
And then just wiped it down, and then let's just go for it.
Let's get it done, man. So he's cut out the right size.
I think it's right. It's so awkward to bloody
Get in there.
get in here.
Take your time.
So guys, make sure you do your best job here when you do wrapping. Don't be them people that think, oh, they can't see it in these angles, you know. Them people are scum. You know, always do your best job at wrapping something.
Do not burn your jeans while putting the heat gun on them.
Yeah.
Again, there is a lot of excess material that you end up having to like play around with.
That's the bit that's the hardest.
That's literally, yeah, as the son said, it's the hardest bit about this job because you just gotta play around with it a lot. And we're gonna cut to when we've done both of them. So the grill, everyone, not fully pressed in just yet. There you go. Before and after. Now that does look aggressive.
Don't zoom in too much of it.
So that's how it looks, everyone. No grill on at the moment, but it does look tasty. Happy? The choo-choo train.
It's a quick little mod, isn't it?
It is a very nice, quick little mud.
Up ahead to the left.
Yeah, look at how much material we're using the jack as a pole for it. But yeah, right, time to put on everything. Yeah,
You're so pissed, Dickie. It was that long taking the grill off.
I know. The wrapping was so easy compared to taking the grill off. But hopefully, everyone, you've seen. Hopefully, everyone, you've seen an easier way of taking the grill off and a realistic way because we did it for the first time. And there you go. Grill's now fully back on. We're gonna put everything back together and then do a quick little outro.
Doesn't help the grill's dirty, man.
That's alright. Alright everyone, that was a lot of fun. Nice, quick, easy mod to the 3 Series. But it does make a nice difference. Huh?
Bosch wipers on, you know.
Oh, he's done Bosch wipers as well? Ah, I need to get some good wipers like that for the Civic, you know. Civic wipers are so bad. But yeah, that's a quick little mod for the 3 Series today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, what should you do?
Comment, like, subscribe.
Yeah. And keep building your dream cars, people. See you in the next video. Peace out.